if your problem shows the numbers as sign number, for example, minus 13 minus 6, sign number, you're ready to apply the rules for addition and subtraction. If, however, your problem looks like this, sign number, sign number, this particular number in the problem is okay because we have one sign with one number. That's good. It's this one that we have sign number. If you have this situation, you must apply the extra step rules, which say if the signs are the same, the number is positive. So you're still going to be asking yourself, are the signs the same? That's our all-purpose question here. Are the signs the same? This is a very important question that you ask it in this way, because what you want to get is a yes or a no answer. A yes being a positive response, a no being a negative response. So there are really two situations that you can have when you're doing addition and subtraction with positive and negatives. You might have a sign and then a number followed by another sign and another number. This is absolutely the way you'd like to see your problems. And if you do see them like that, for example, here's a sign and here's a number, sign and then a number, you can just apply the rules for addition and subtraction, which say that if the signs are the same, as in this case we have two positives, or in this case two negatives, you would add those numbers together. If you have a situation where you've got one of each, the signs are different. Are the signs the same? No. You're going to be subtracting the numbers. So this is the way you want to see it. Sign number. That's the best, because then you can apply the rules for the actual calculation. But if you have this situation where you have sign number, you're going to need an extra step to prepare the problem so it can look like this, sign number, so you can apply the rules for the calculation. So this is how this would look. Your extra step. If you have two signs in a row and then a number, sign, number, sign, number, you see what I'm saying? These come right before the actual numeral. Then you're going to apply the extra step rules. In this case, if those signs before that single number are the same, the number itself turns positive. Different signs turn the number itself negative. So if you had a positive 6 with a minus positive 1, you would have to apply the extra step in both places because you have double signs before the number. Two signs that are the same. Are the signs the same? Yes. Turns the number itself positive. You don't have to look at those two symbols together anymore. The extra step rule applies here. Again, you're going to ask yourself the question, are the signs the same? In this case, the answer is no. So the number 1 turns negative. And the problem can be written over again if you need to as a positive 6, negative 1. Now you have sign number, and the actual rules for calculation can be applied. Sign number. If the signs are the same, you add the numbers. So let's ask ourselves this question. Are these signs the same? No. So you're going to SUB the numbers. You're going to get a 5. And then the last part is to copy the sign of the larger numeral, which is 6 is bigger than 1. So we're just going to copy the 6's sign. There's really no thinking in that much at all. You're just going to be, it's a copy job.